Today we will unbox and set up the DYU D3F, a 14-inch mini folding knee bike. Open the box. You see the bike itself and a small box containing the charger, pedals and all the tools you need. Let's start by adding the saddle. Unfold the saddle fastener. Insert the saddle according to your height. Fold back and tighten the saddle fastener. Carefully remove all the protective films and undo the cable ties. Fold the handlebar in place and close the folding lever. Remember to twist the lock ring onto the lever to lock it. The on and off switch has a plastic cover that needs to be removed. Turn the bell and place it on top. Fix it with a screwdriver. Place the left pedal. Make sure to have the one marked with the letter L on it. Screw it counterclockwise onto the crank by hand. Then tighten firmly using the provided wrench. The right pedal has the letter R on it and is screwed on clockwise. Then tighten firmly using the provided wrench. Remove the bolt out of the frame. Place the plastic mudguard in place and tighten with the included hex wrench. Use the rubber band to place the tail light where you need it. Turn on the bicycle with the left button. The battery indicator shows the status of the battery. The DYU D3F is ready. Enjoy your new electric bike!